The snow has finally melted, revealing bright gifts of nature blooming right where I can see them. What an uplifting surprise it was to discover these beauties. Deers right in front of my yard used to be another one of those amazing surprises. I never imagined that I would have deers right at my footsteps. The only problem with that is that they trigger my notifications way too early some days. Chico, how are you? Chico, where are you? There you are. Come here, my boy. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on, brother. Come here. Did you have a good day? Oh, you're so sweet. So sweet. Let's say hi to my friends. Hi, friends. Welcome to our house that is looking a little bit more like a home now, with some furnishings and a lot of gifts from my dear friends and family. I've been wanting to share with you for a while, but I always say that. For those of you that don't know me, I am Claudia. I just changed my lifestyle once again from nomadic lifestyle to 9 to 5, back to normal society life. I wanted to make this video to update you on my house, and I also want to update you on my life. I am going to leave the life part for the end of the video, so if you're not interested, totally fine. Just watch the house part and then ciao. It's totally fine. But for those of you that I share and hold dear a connection with, stay until after the home tour and you'll see what I have been up to and why I haven't been around much. I am very blessed to share that a lot of what you will see has been given to me from friends, family, even my work. And I had just made a couple purchases because all of my money is going towards advocating for my adult disabled son. That is the journey that I am in right now, and that is the reason why I changed lifestyles to advocate for him. Welcome to my home and enjoy the tour. We are in my living room, and the only thing that I have purchased here is the sectional and the coffee table, and the TV. Everything else either came from the thrift store or donations from my family and friends. Is now my art studio. To help me through the hard times that I'm going through, I have gone back to one of my passions, which is drawing. So I converted this room into my studio. We are going to the master bedroom. The bed and the bedding are the only things new. In the kitchen is where we're gonna see most of the changes. I also got this beautiful new fridge gift from my daughter and her husband. This is the only purchase that I have made, which is a washer and dryer all in one. I still have my 1950s electrical stove. And this used to be a storage room. Thank you for watching, and I also want to give you a little bit of an update on my life. As you know, because you're my friend, I am going through a very difficult time at the moment as I advocate for my adult disabled son. Things are very complex, very complicated. It's taking all the money that I make. I just don't know any other way than seeing this through. It is not easy for me to share negative aspects of my life, but I think it is important to be honest, not just with you, but also with myself. Moved to Utah to be near my disabled adult son and advocate for him because he's having a rough time and he wants to live with me. So I am doing everything possible and nearly impossible to help him and make that happen somehow. I'm having struggles accomplishing that. I'm having great challenges and it is affecting me, and this is why I have been away, and this is why I am inconsistent. My presence in YouTube is inconsistent because my life is very, very difficult at the moment, and I'm trying to save my energy to advocate for my son. I'm also making all the money I make to pay for legal fees and to be represented and advocate for my son. It is a very, very, very difficult journey that I don't wish on anyone. During this journey, my son has suffered, and I suffer experiencing my son's suffering. So I am not having the best time, but I must do what I'm doing. I am my son's mother and I adore him. I made a promise that I would advocate for him always and that's what I'm doing as his mother. But this is affecting many aspects of my life. It's affecting all aspects of my life in a very difficult way. You see that I bought this house. Now you see my furniture and the way that my house looks. And one of you once said, you probably won the lottery, you probably may reach somehow. And no, I haven't. And I am just very blessed. Even though I'm going through very difficult times, I am so happy to be able to recognize my blessings too. And they inspire me to continue to go and continue to do what I'm doing. I'm just letting you know this because I don't want you to think that I went away. I am not going away. I am not giving up either. I am going to see this through. I am committed to my son. I don't see it any other way. I wish I did. And a lot of people say that they would have given up if they were me. But I can't, and I won't. So hang in there with me. There is a lot of content that I have, and I'm gonna go back to that because I wanna still share those places that I've been to that you haven't seen yet. So I think it's gonna be helpful to my mental health to finish those videos because they're gonna bring so much happiness of my nomadic lifestyle and the memories, and I get to share that with you. Some days I feel depressed. I am only human. I am not a superwoman, and I have down feelings a lot, especially when my son cries and asks me for help, and I cannot help him more than what I'm doing. I am spiritual. I'm not very religious, but I do believe in the power of prayer. I feel that is our spirits connecting and pleading to a greater force, a Heavenly Father, the universe, the energy, whatever that is. I do believe in something greater than myself. So if I were to ask you for anything, I would ask you to pray for my son and to pray for me, that my son gets reunited with the family and that I have the strength and the money to see this through. That's what I need. That's what I ask you to pray for, please. There's a lot that I am blessed with and I'm grateful for, along with the hardship. If you don't see me around, it's because I am trying to replenish myself mentally, spiritually, and go back to war. I am trying to figure out ways to make more money because my legal fees are in the several thousands, and so in a way to help with that, I started to draw again, and I had my first commission job, and I feel so honored. It was for my boss. He commissioned a beautiful drawing of his son and his beautiful bride, and I feel so honored I got to do that, and he was so gracious to commission the job. All of those for me are blessings. I am a very blessed person. So when I go through my hardship, I am reminded that I'm being seen and heard and helped. Thank you for watching. And I know that you may also be going through some challenges, and I encourage you to keep at it and advocate for yourself and the ones that you love. Thank you for watching. I love you. Ciao. Mwah.